So hello students, today we are going to learn part 2 of chapter number 14, that is rational numbers of class 7. Okay, so in the previous part we have learned about what are rational numbers, what are positive rational number, negative rational numbers, how a rational number can be represented and so on. Okay, now today let us solve some more examples on rational numbers. Okay, so now here we have our first example. Express the following rational numbers in P upon Q form. Means we have to represent them in numerator denominator form. Okay. For example, if we have, now here we have a number 1.5. Now we want to represent this number in P upon Q form. Okay. So what we will do, we'll try to remove this decimal. If we are moving this decimal one digit to the right, then we can add 10 in the denominator. So it will become in this way 15 upon 10. Now it has become into numerator denominator form or P upon Q form. Now further it can be written as, let us see whether we can write it in lowest form or not. Yes, we can write. Both the numbers are divisible by 5. Okay, so 5 3s are 15 and 5 2s are 10. Okay, so this is our final answer. Let us see another example. Now here we have minus 2 1 upon 3. Okay, so minus 2 1 upon 3, it can be written as, now what we have to do, we can multiply this 3 with this minus 2. So 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 1 7. Okay, so what will be our answer? Minus 7 upon 3. Okay, now this cannot be reduced further in lowest form, so this is our final answer. So what we have done, we have represented this number in P upon Q form. Okay, now let us look at next example. Now here it is given that express minus 7 upon 12 as a rational number with numerator 21. Okay, so let us represent it. Now what number we have? We have minus 7 upon 12 equals to. Now what we want to do? We want to convert this numerator as 21. Okay, so we have to increase, means we have to multiply. Okay, so I'm writing it this way. Now what must be the numerator? It must be simply 21. Okay, denominator, we don't know, whatever we will get here, same will multiply. Now here we have minus number and our answer must be in plus. So when this minus will become plus, so minus into what will give you plus? So minus into minus will give you plus. Now as we have written here minus, so here also we have to write minus. Okay, then now 7, how much are 21? So 7 3s are 21. So here also we will write 3s are. Okay, now our numerator is confirmed. Now let us try to find the denominator. So plus into minus, it will become minus, and then 12 3s are, so it will become 36. Okay, so what is our answer? That is 21 upon minus 36. Okay, now let us solve next example. Now here we have express 168 upon minus 294 as a rational number with a denominator 14. Okay, so let us try to solve it. Solution. Now I am writing it directly. 168 upon minus 294 equals to. Now what is the condition? This one is a bigger number, we have to make it a smaller number, means we have to divide in such a condition. So what we will write? 168 divided by and minus 294 divided by. Okay, now our answer must be plus 14. Okay, so now in division, when you will get answer plus, when both are having divisor and dividend are having same sign, means these two numbers should have same sign. So if here it is minus, here also we have to write minus. Okay, now when we write here minus, the same sign must be written here, so I'm writing here minus. Okay, now by what number it should be divided? To find that number, a very simple procedure is there. First divide this 294 by 14. Okay, so when you divide this 294 by 14, we get answer here 21. Okay, now this same minus 21 we will write here. Already we have written minus, simply write here 21. Okay, now what we will do, we will divide first, confirm the signs. Here it is plus, here it is minus, means our answer should have a negative sign. Okay, now divide 168 by 21. Okay, so what will be the answer? Our answer will be 8. Okay, so now what we have done, we were having a number 168 upon minus 294. We have expressed this number as a rational number with denominator 14. Okay, so what we have done, bigger was supposed to be converted into smaller, so we are dividing it. And how to decide by what number? So what we will do, we will divide this one only first, so you will get this number. Okay, now next example. Now in next example it is given that write the following rational numbers in standard form. Already we have learned, for a rational number to be in standard form, two conditions are there. Okay, what are the two conditions? First condition is that it should be in lowest form, and second condition is that denominator should be positive. Okay, so in each of this example we have to follow this procedure. Now here we have an example, that is minus 8 upon 36 equals to. Now check whether we can write this minus 8 upon 36 in lowest form or not. So let me write something over here. Here now minus 8 upon 36 equals to. Now both the numbers are divisible by, yes, 4. Okay, so what you will get, 4 2s are 8, 4 9s are 36. Okay, so what will be our answer further? It will be equals to minus 2 upon 9. Now this number is in lowest form and denominator is positive. It means that it is in standard form. Okay, now let us look at next example. We have 12 upon minus 78. Okay, upon minus 13. Now if this number is in lowest form, but our denominator is a negative. For making it standard we want this one positive. So how to make it positive? Just bring this minus and keep it here. So your answer will be equals to minus 2 upon 13. Okay, so now this is lowest form also and denominator is positive. So this is our final answer. Okay. Now let us look at next example. Now here it is given that check whether minus 7 upon 21 and 3 upon minus 9 are equivalent or not. They are equal or not. So solution. Now what we are going to do, to check whether they are equivalent or not, we will do cross multiplication. So what do we have? Minus 7 upon 21 and next number is 3 upon minus 9. So to check whether they are equivalent or not, we will do cross multiplication of this number. Okay, now minus 7 into minus 9 equals to, and on the other side you have to write this 21 with this 3. Okay, so 21 into 3 equals to. Okay, now minus into minus will become plus, and 7 nines are 63. So what is our answer? Plus 63. And now here 21 into 3, so this one is also 63. So it can be seen that both these numbers are same. Since these numbers are same, so we can say that this product is also equal. Now you can write further, since minus 7 into minus 9 is equal to 21 into 3, therefore what you will get, minus 7 upon 21 is equal to 3 upon 29. Okay, sorry, 3 upon minus 9. Now since these both are equal, so we can say that these numbers are equivalent. Okay, so therefore minus 7 upon 21 and 3 upon minus 9 are equivalent. Okay, if this does not come equal, so we will write here these are not equivalent. Okay, so this much is enough for today. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.